In this Binance Sign Up tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create your account, complete KYC step-by-step, turn on strong security, deposit funds, place your first order, and save on trading fees. To land on the exact registration page I'm using, tap the link in the description. When you register, enter the referral code QSCXU3LG. This code can reduce your trading fees by up to 20% under Binance's current referral program. If the code isn't autofilled, type QSCXU3LG manually before you continue. This video is educational, not financial advice. Crypto is risky. Only invest what you can afford to lose and always do your own research. Here's what you'll learn in minutes. Binance Sign Up, Binance KYC, how to enable two-factor authentication and anti-phishing code, how to fund your account, how to place a simple first order, and where to check fee discounts and new user perks. Before we start, prepare your ID or passport. Make sure you're in a bright room for a clear selfie and have a stable internet connection. Double check that your account name matches your document exactly. Let's create your Binance account now. Open the link in the description and tap Sign Up or Register. Choose email or mobile, enter your details, and create a strong, unique password you haven't used anywhere else. When you see the field for an invite or referral code, type QSCXU3LG. Again, that's the code that can give you up to 20% off trading fees subject to the program's terms in your region. Check your email or SMS for the verification code and confirm your account. If the code doesn't arrive, wait a moment, check spam or junk, then request a new one. Great account created. Now let's secure it immediately. Go to Security and enable two-factor authentication with an authenticator app. It's more resilient than SMS. Save your backup codes and store them safely offline. Next, set an anti-phishing code, a short phrase that will appear in official Binance email so you can spot fakes instantly. If any message ever asks for your password or seed phrase, it's a scam. Now we'll complete KYC so you unlock higher limits and full features. Open identity verification. Select your country, choose your document type, ID card, driver's license, or passport, and follow the prompts. Upload clear photos of the front and back. Keep the image bright, remove glare, and make sure all corners are visible. Don't crop edges or use filters. When it asks for a selfie or liveness check, center your face, remove hats or glasses, and follow the on-screen instructions slowly. Submit and wait for review. It's often quick, but timing can vary. If you're rejected, read the reason carefully. Most issues are simple fixes like retaking a sharper photo or correcting a mismatch. Once KYC is approved, you'll see a confirmation inside your account. Nice work, your profile is now verified and secured. Time to add funds, open deposit. Depending on your region, you can use bank transfer, card, or deposit crypto from another wallet. Fees and speed vary. Bank transfers can be cheaper but slower. Cards are faster but may cost more. If you're nervous, start with a tiny test amount to build confidence. Depositing crypto? Match the network to the address exactly. Send BTC to a Bitcoin address, ETH to Ethereum, and so on. If a coin requires a memo or a tag like XRP or XLM, include it or your funds can be delayed. Copy carefully or scan the QR and verify the first and last characters before you hit send. Ready for a first buy? Here's the fast, safe version. Go to Trade, choose a simple pair BTC, USDT, or ETH. You'll see two common order types, market and limit. A market order buys instantly at the best available price, easy, but it can slip during big moves. A limit order lets you set your exact price, more control, but it might not fill right away. For your very first purchase, place a small market order as a rehearsal. Double-check the asset, the amount, and the summary, then tap Buy. Nice, your first order is done. Let's optimize for lower fees. Make sure you registered with QSCXU3LG for the up to 20% fee discount under the referral program. Check your fee schedule and your VIP or tier status inside Binance. Maker and taker fees can vary by tier and activity. Over time, consistent trading volume can also affect your tier. Now, quick checks for new user perks. Open rewards, referral, or task voucher sections inside Binance. You'll see any active new user offers or vouchers available to you. Read the details. Some promotions change by region and time. Claim vouchers or fee rebates when they appear and track their expiry dates. Let's lock in good habits. Turn on price alerts or a simple DCA plan if it helps you avoid FOMO. If you plan to hold long-term, consider moving part of your balance to self-custody later and learn about seed phrases before you do. Now, the top mistakes to avoid. 1. Phishing. Only use bookmarked official links. No real support will ask for your password or seed phrase. 2. Wrong network or address. Always match chain to chain and check those first and last characters. 3. Forgetting the memo tag on certain coins. Read the deposit page carefully. 4. Weak security. Keep 2FA on, use a unique long password, and keep your anti-phishing code active. 5. Leverage too early. Leverage multiplies mistakes. Skip it until you have a proven plan. Services and promotions can differ by country and can change over time. Always follow local laws and confirm what's supported where you live. Here's your final beginner checklist. Create your Binance account. Enter the referral code QSCXU3LG at sign up. Complete KYC with clear photos. Enable 2FA and your anti-phishing code. Make a small test deposit. Place a tiny first order when you're ready. Check your fee schedule, tier, and rewards voucher pages to make sure your discounts and perks are active. If this tutorial helped, please like the video so more beginners can find it, and subscribe for upcoming guides on deposits, withdrawals, wallets, and real security drills. To reach the exact registration page I showed, tap the link in the description. Make sure the referral field shows QSCXU3LG before you continue if it isn't there. Type QSCXU3LG manually and proceed. Trade carefully, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson.